everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Steeler XLM. In this video, we are talking about the Steeler XLM price. The price changes occur in the Steeler XLM. The last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week price change, and for especially we are talking about the biggest mistake of Steeler XLM holders doing at this time, friends. Please don't do this mistake and be safe from loss, friends. If you are doing this mistake, so absolutely you are in the loss and you don't get any profit from the XLM. So please keep watching this video for more details and updates, friends. Before starting this interesting video, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Anyways, let's move on and let's start the video, friends. First of all, we talk about the current price of the Steeler XLM. 0.668801 USD dollar is the current price of the Steeler XLM, and the price changes occur in the XLM as negative 2.21% changes occur in the XLM in the last 1 hour, and the last 1 week price change and the last 1 day price change as 0.313% going positive. But unfortunately, if you look, the price change occur in the Steeler XLM, so they are positive. The last 1 hour price change is only negative. So what's the reason behind that? Why the last 1 hour price change as negative? Let's see the price chart for more details and for better understanding, friends. As you can see here now, the price chart, as you can see here, a very mysterious jumps, the very mysterious changes occur in the Steeler XLM. As you can see, fast down in, after a fast take a jump, same like that, fast down, and after a fast, now this time they take a jump, friends. So absolutely that is clear that after a fast there is a jump, friends. Same like that, at this time the Steeler XLM in the pumping mood. As I show you that the whole changes occur in the Steeler XLM is going positive, friends. Only the last 1 hour price change as negative, friends. So that's mean that very soon they are going to hit a 1 USD dollar, friends. My prediction about the Steeler XLM is 100% positive, friends, because I'm sure, I know that the Steeler XLM is best investment, friends. Anyways, if you look, the last 1 week price change occur in the XLM, so positive 8.36% changes occur in the XLM in the last 1 week, and the highest price is 0.747345 USD dollar is the highest price of the XLM. What's your prediction about XLM? Please tell me in the comment box, and kindly please don't forget to subscribe. Every Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.